Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, August 6th, 2019. This is Jennifer. Very little to show you guys today because we have only been doing DIY, and by we I mean me. I have only been doing DIY the last week. I did get our hall floor installed. I pulled up the carpet, I pulled up the padding, I pulled up all of the carpet tacks and all the staples that were in the floor, clean off lots of texture from where they sprayed the wall texture and it got all over the subfloor. So I did all of that. It took me several days to get that ready to go, and then I installed a wood laminate flooring, and it's actually like an adhesive flooring because our floor isn't super flat, and the adhesive actually works really well. So it sort of follows all of the little changes in level that the subfloor has. So hopefully while I've been talking, I've been showing you that. I'm very happy with it. So that is the hall done. We are still going to do the other rooms upstairs, and we decided after we saw the hall to go ahead and do the 2 bathrooms that are upstairs. So the whole upstairs will have the same flooring. And the 2 bedrooms on the end of the hall, their flooring is going to be going opposite. So I should have a little clip of that in here so I can show you what it looks like going into my husband's office. And we have like a temporary divider right now because I want to do stained room dividers, and I just haven't made it that far yet. So other than that, I just want to remind you that starting tomorrow on Fandom and Stitches, we will be starting the Rankin Bass Holiday Specials Quilt Along, and that is going to be I think it's a 16-week event followed by a design invitational. All of the information to get you started is tomorrow, and unlike most of our events, I've actually put an entire list of all of the patterns that will be included in the 16 weeks so that if you want to participate in the design invitational, you will know exactly what's coming and you would like to participate or add something, you can do that very easily. Again, that's tomorrow on Fandom and Stitches, the Rankin Bass Holiday Special Quilt Along. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. I once again don't know if I'll have much to share next week. I don't plan on doing any DIY this week, but I might, who knows, maybe I'll squeeze a craft in here or there while my son's visiting. He is here for another week, and I am going to spend as much time with him as possible because I probably won't see him again until November or December. That is it for me. You guys have a wonderful week. Have a crafty week, and I will see you next week. Bye.